Hi, I'm Greg with Integrity Roofing and Exteriors here in Clarksville. We're doing an install today, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about this job here. We go above and beyond just to make sure that we are protecting your property. There's actually a roof being installed right down the road here. I'm not going to show you that just because of the sign in the yard. I don't want to put any other businesses on blast, but they did not take any time to protect the house. It's in a very nice neighborhood. If you look right here, like, this is a very nice house, has a lot of flowers. It does not take too many shingles to mess up a flower bed. And when you're in a nice neighborhood and you spend time making sure your yard and everything looks great, you definitely don't want to have to redo all that after you've gone through the process of putting a roof on. Roofing processes can be problematic and stressful enough not to worry about whether your property is going to be protected or not. We do these types of setups on every single one of our jobs. We're protecting your property. You guys deserve better. Give us a call. Clarksville Integrity Roofing.